Coppell homeowners value comfort, efficiency, and convenience, especially when it comes to maintaining their homes. With busy schedules, fluctuating Texas weather, and long summer heat, choosing windows that perform well without constant upkeep is a smart decision. That's where low-maintenance awning windows stand out. Combining practical design with durable materials, awning windows offer a reliable, easy-care solution that fits perfectly with the needs of modern Coppell households. What makes awning windows different? Awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward from the bottom, creating a protective, awning effect when open. This design allows for ventilation even during light rain, a major advantage in unpredictable Texas weather. Because of their compact structure and tight seal, awning windows are also one of the most efficient and durable window styles available. Durable materials that resist wear. One of the biggest reasons Coppell homeowners choose low-maintenance awning windows is the material options. Modern awning windows are typically made from vinyl with multi-chambered insulation, fiberglass with reinforced frames, composite materials designed to resist warping. These materials hold up well against Coppell's heat and humidity. Unlike traditional wood frames, they won't rot, swell, or require repainting. This means less time spent maintaining your windows, and more time enjoying your home. Easy cleaning from inside your home. Cleaning windows shouldn't require ladders or risky balancing. Awning windows are especially convenient because many models are designed to be cleaned from inside your home. The outward opening sash allows easy access to the glass surface. For second-story windows or hard-to-reach areas like bathrooms and kitchens, this feature makes a big difference in day-to-day convenience. Less hassle means homeowners are more likely to keep windows clean and well-maintained over time. Fewer moving parts, fewer problems compared to some other window styles. Awning windows have a simple operating mechanism, usually a crank system. With fewer complex components, there are fewer parts that can wear down over time. High-quality hardware is built to withstand regular use, even during seasonal temperature changes in Coppell. This simplicity contributes to long-term reliability and reduced repair needs. Tight seals reduce drafts and energy loss. Low maintenance doesn't mean low performance. Awning windows close tightly against the frame, forming a compression seal that helps prevent air leaks. In Coppell's hot summers, this tight seal reduces heat infiltration, helps maintain consistent indoor temperatures, supports lower cooling costs. Modern awning windows also include features like double-pane insulated glass and low-E coatings, which further enhance energy efficiency. Weather resistance for Texas conditions. Coppell weather can bring intense sun, occasional storms, and shifting seasonal temperatures. Awning windows are designed to handle these conditions effectively. When open, the outward tilt helps deflect light rain. When closed, the secure seal blocks wind and moisture from entering your home. Vinyl and fiberglass frames resist fading, cracking, and warping, even after years of sun exposure. Ideal for smaller spaces. Awning windows work particularly well in bathrooms, kitchens, and basements, areas where ventilation is important but wall space may be limited. Their compact design fits neatly above countertops or sinks, providing fresh air without interfering with interior layouts. Long-term value for Coppell homes. Choosing low-maintenance awning windows means fewer repairs, less upkeep, and lower long-term costs. Their durability, energy efficiency, and ease of care make them a smart investment for homeowners looking to upgrade without adding extra maintenance tasks. For Coppell residents who want practical performance combined with modern style, awning windows offer an ideal balance of convenience and comfort. A smart upgrade for busy homeowners. Your windows should make life easier, not more complicated. Low-maintenance awning windows deliver dependable performance, improved ventilation, and minimal upkeep. For Coppell homeowners seeking durable, energy-efficient, and easy-care window solutions, awning windows are a smart choice that enhances comfort today and for years to come.